So after 4 years of having the Wildhare attachments, had very minor issues with the equipment itself. I pushed this setup really hard. Um, and one of the things I didn't mention when I was putting the 2017, now that they've got version 2, they probably fixed this, but as you can see, my hydraulic cylinder is, for the 3-point hitch, is right by the muffler. So I think in retrospect, I probably would have moved the hinge, which I'm going to do. After 4 years, the hydraulics work flawlessly, so it hasn't been an issue having that there. But I think what I'm going to do is build another one over here. And what Wildhare did is they actually put the bolt hole on the other side, and I can just weld an attachment down there to put the hydraulics on the other side, so that the heat is not affecting the hydraulics. And again, I've never ever had an issue with the hydraulics, but you can see there's some discoloration, and I think it's just as exhaust fumes. As you can see, I've rubbed off some of the soot. But yeah, after 4 years, hydraulics are great. I think, and I've had the same fluid, which is probably not correct. I'm going to be replacing the hydraulic fluid here this year, going into the 4th year of running this Wildhare attachment on here. And again, flawlessly. The only thing that I didn't mention was the exhaust hitting the hydraulics. And again, after 4 years, I've never had an issue. And I've pushed this thing to the max, and it has performed excellent. Anyway, thanks for watching.